So, can you make a full 3D platformer in 1 hour using Unreal Engine 5 blueprints? So, first of all, I imported an asset pack. What is this one? It has really cool cubes that you can work with, and created a simple concept of the first, I guess, level that you can basically jump around, you know, like the Roblox lobbies where you jump around the blocks.
Whoa!
Absolutely nothing. So then I just put some random cubes all around, added some trees to make everything look cool. So after creating this sick ass level that took 12 minutes to create, I started working on the coin. The assets were kind of bad on the fab, so I kind of decided to search for brain rot. Of course, I had to pay for it because it's fucking brain rot. And then I just decided to add PNGs. Yep. I just went on Pinterest, searched cat memes, and just downloaded them, added to my UE5 thingy. So after adding like 20 other cats, 20 other meshes, I just duplicated uh, the coins and placed them. So now they randomly spawn with a random image, what is basically an array, and it just randomizes it. What is pretty cool. So then, yeah, yep. Yep. Cool. The main problem actually was the coins. Well, it was kind of the easiest part, so I just created a variable that holds coins in my player, created a simple widget called cats, what will hold how many cats you collected. What was pretty simple. I used a simple interface function that updates when I collect a single coin. It basically sets the new point or the new coin, then sets the text of it, what is pretty simple. When you play, you gain basically points or cats or whatever the fuck you call them. Second of all, I created a death, so when you die or when you end the level, you will receive how many how many cats you collected. What sounds kind of weird, to be honest. I sound like a Chinese right now. This was of course the easiest part, but as you can see I have 20 minutes left, so I was kind of hurrying and not really paying attention to the widgets and how I create them, because who the fuck cares about the visuals, right? Kind of expand this level to make it a little bit harder. Added a ring, added some rocks here and there to make it, you know, little bit challenging, but of course I didn't have time, so I made a platform where the level will actually end, and then you can basically restart. What is pretty simple. Once again, I used the novel app. 10 minutes left, and I really wanted to add moving platforms to the game. No idea what I'm doing, so I created some kind of vectors with some kind of floats. I mean, it did something, but I kind of have no idea what I did, so it kind of didn't work out. I mean, it did it once, but then it kind of stopped, so I was kind of confused. What am I doing? And I have like 2 minutes left, and I was like, ah, fuck this shit. This is the basic game, so you basically run, you collect cats, you try not to fall, or well, if you fall, it's okay, you can fucking reset everything, and you continue. I mean, it's a solid game. What I would have added if I had more time is the moving platforms, probably made the level more beautiful, and a timer, because this is like a speedrunning game, not cats collecting game. So yeah, probably a timer and a leaderboard would be necessary for this game, but I think it turned out pretty good for 1 hour. Yeah, so next up I'm gonna do 10 hours. Of course it's gonna be 20 times better than this one. It's not gonna be a platformer, it's gonna be something else. So if you wanna see that, I guess like it or something. I fucking know.